Okay, here we are. We're doing a check. Decided to just do a short today. We got a rat in this pipe set, and it is snowing like crazy. You guys, camera's picking up a little bit. Just crazy. Anyway, take a look at him. Did exactly what I wanted it to, although something was chewing on him. Well, maybe not. Oh yeah. Dang, that sucks. But pipe set, rat. Oh, there he is. You can see, I don't know if that was bird or mink. I don't know what, but something chewed on him. Fur's no good, but use him for fish or bait or something. All right, guys. We will see you on the next check. Winter Wonderland here.